Hello world, my name is Heshmat and I am a product manager here to introduce new features to our modernized interoperability user experience for the 2026.2 release. This release continues our focus on improving usability and efficiency across the interoperability applications. We'll start with the production configuration experience. One of the most visible improvements is the updated toolbar. Tabs for production and host settings are now labeled, making it easier to quickly see which one you are viewing. Additionally, production search is now available in both views. To improve organization, we have also made a few updates to the category functionality. First, you can now paste a comma-separated list of categories into the category setting on hosts. This simplifies the process of organizing hosts, especially when creating a new integration according to existing specifications. We have also added the ability to rename existing categories, making it easier to maintain and organize large productions over time. Next, let's look at enhancements to the updated message viewer and message search experience. The first noticeable enhancement is that resent messages are now tagged in the messages table and message inspector. We have also added the ability to copy the raw messages contents, making it easier to troubleshoot and share message data. Searching has been made more intuitive with autocomplete support on basic criteria, including type, status, source, and target fields. Let's run an existing saved search. As we edit the search further, note that the previous results are now displayed with an asterisk to indicate that they are not up to date with your current search criteria. Once we have the needed criteria, we can then save this search, making it easy to build off existing saved searches and customize searches to your needs. When viewing the search history, we have also added the corresponding SQL query for each search that has been run. Let's take a closer look at the updates that have been made to the visual trace. You can now view the time delta between two messages in a visual trace by multi-selecting the messages in question. This is done by holding down the Shift key while selecting Control or Command depending on your device. Additionally, right-clicking on a message in the visual trace now allows you to filter the trace to show only messages corresponding to that message. Next, we will walk through the improvements to the editors in the production configuration screen, starting with the detail editor. Here, we have added the ability to sort fields alphabetically within the detail graphical editor. Read-only properties will now display as grayed out to prevent invalid mappings. In the BPL editor, this release introduces UI enhancements for multi-selected activities, allowing you to quickly identify which activities are selected and which one is focused. We have also added enhancements to the modernized rule editor. When creating rule constraints, typing into the source and doc type fields will search and filter on the possible values. Net new to this release, we are also introducing a modernized Schema Viewer UI. This new UI is consistent across all schemas and features expandable segments and breadcrumbs to easily retrace your steps. The new Schema Viewer UI is read-only in 2026.2, but upcoming releases will include the new UI for editing schemas as well. Thank you for listening and reviewing all the exciting new enhancements and functionalities for the ongoing work to modernize the interoperability user experience. For specific feedback or questions, please reach out to interopuxfeedback@intersystems.com.